Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Ilocano Peter Pan Kitchen. And today's recipe is a Middle Eastern food. It's Turkish Kebab. So without further ado, here are my ingredients. So my ingredients are, of course, we have the ground beef, we have the grated onion and strained garlic paste. We have black pepper, salt, cumin, ground coriander, cayenne, and cajun. Because I don't have a allspice, I just replace it with cajun. And our barbecue stick. Let's start. Okay guys, let's start mixing our ingredients. So before anything else, before doing this recipe, make sure you wash your hands, because we will need to mix it with our hands. You may use gloves if you want, but I prefer using my bare hands. And the first step we need to do is to add our onion, which is grated and strained. Mix. And of course, we need to use our hands. Mix, mix, mix. So our garlic paste in here. Let's start mixing. Next, we can add now our spices. We can add now our ground cumin, our ground coriander. Yes, then we continue mixing. Okay, done. Now we can add the rest of the ingredients. We have the cajun, we have the cayenne, we have the black pepper, and of course salt. Put it all inside this big bowl, and of course using our bare hands, mix. Mixing. When we finish our mixing, we should set it inside the chiller for at least 30 minutes, and easier for us to put in this barbecue stick. Okay, so our 30 minutes done. It's time already for us to put in our skewer. So traditionally, they don't use this kind of skewer, using it for replacement. So what we need to do now is to make a handful of this. Make a bowl shape first, and then make an oblong size like this. Then take your stick and put it in, then flatten it, flatten it, flatten, flatten, flatten. Okay, alright, like this. Next. So I have now with me my kebab and my grilling machine. So now we are ready to grill the kebab. Alright, so let's start first with this. So we should flip it every 30 seconds.